morning! Today is day 156. So as you can tell from the background, Vito, our van, is still in the hospital. So today we will continue to ride our bike out to explore Kanchanaburi. Today we will be riding 2 hours to a hot spring. Not sure if it's worth it. We hope it will be, because it's gonna be a very tedious ride lah. Here we go! I'm coming! Woohoo! Yo! Okay, just done topping up our petrol for the motorbike. And hot spring, here we come! Let's go! Came back to the same shop and bought another 8 packets again.
A dream come true, finally.
Okay, so opposite where we got the banana snack is the Sayok waterfall, which was where we wanted to visit yesterday, but it was too far lah, so
Yeah,
we are back today!
yeah, it's known to have the sticky waterfall steps lah, so we want to check it out. It doesn't look like there's a lot of tourists now, so maybe we can enjoy a bit more.
Oh, so much grip, want to fall also cannot. Okay, after 2 hours of bike riding and some distraction just now at the chips shop and the waterfall, we are finally reaching the hot spring. Okay, so for foreigner, it's 60 baht per person. Ticket is over here. So total for the both of us is 120 baht. Hopefully it's worth it. So excited.
Oh, looks good, yeah? Water flows there, down here. Okay, the first pool we got in is the baby one. This one is just like lukewarm water, like when you're showering. It's not even hot.
Nice.
Okay, we're in the second pool now. It's much hotter here.
Nice.
Okay, so the hot is behind, and in front is the natural pool spring.
Shiok or not?
You should try it, very shiok. You should try it. Okay, we are outside at Hellfire Pass. It's like a prisoner of war museum now. But our fuel gauge is blinking already. And to go in is 5.7 km in and out. So I'm pretty sure we'll be out of fuel. So Eugene is now trying to ask if someone can sell us fuel. Jalan.
Okay, we stopped by a cafe and the lady told us that 1 kilometer more there will be a small shop that sells the fuel. So we are gonna go there and get some fuel first.
We're gonna give this a miss.
Yeah, I'm gonna give fire pass. Miss Hell fire pass. See you next time.
Okay, luckily we found petrol.
how much petrol you want to pump today?
Just a bottle. Okay, so this petrol costs about 30% more than at the pump station. Yeah, but we got no choice. Okay, 1 liter should be enough.